Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to make another Chinese banquet delight, and that is scallops and broccoli. And this dish is food styled a little bit funny in that you see the little broccoli trees that are surrounding the scallops. And how we do the scallops, we're actually using king oyster mushrooms that have been marinating in essentially a seaweed broth. And you can put together the dish fairly easily, so I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. So I'm going to start off by cutting 3 to 4 king oyster mushrooms into 1-inch thick pieces, and those will serve as my scallops. And then afterwards, I'm just going to put them into a bowl, mix them with some seaweed powder, some salt, and some sugar, and also some water as well. Recipe is down below, and let them marinate for right around 1 hour. So while you wait for those to marinate, you want to go on and prepare your broccoli. So I'd say about a half of a broccoli cut into small little stalks, and you can steam it or you can cook it in water. I'm also going to make a slurry with just a little bit of cornstarch and a little bit of water, and then prepare kind of everything else. So about a half a carrot that I'm going to slice up pretty thinly. And then I have this, I think it's a sakura flower cutout that decorates your carrots like that. So if my carrots were a little bit wider, you'd see actually the full flowers. So the no oil stir fry method, I have a little bit of water, some of the Lee Kum Kee vegetarian stir fry sauce, as well as some of the Lee Kum Kee minced garlic. And I'm just gonna cook that up until the raw garlic smell kind of dissipates just a little bit. My heat is right around medium heat because I don't want all of the water to evaporate. But if you do run out of water, just add in, a couple tablespoons at a time. And I'm cooking each of these oysters probably about 1:30 each side, up until the mushrooms cook up and they soften, and then I add in the rest of the ingredients. So the mushrooms went in, the slurry went in, and then I have some salt and white pepper that I added. Once that slurry kind of thickens up and the mushrooms are cooked, I'm just going to add in the carrot pieces just so that they warm up, but they still remain crisp. This oyster mushroom along with the marinade actually is weirdly similar to scallops. So if you guys ever want to try that, maybe give it a little pan fry and give it a little bit of crispiness, that is going to work really well as well. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and maybe you guys will make it for Chinese New Year. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!